brand new updated YouTube channel, Leticia's Life. So I decided, now that we're on quarantine, I would take this opportunity to update my YouTube channel and bring a lot more content for you guys. To stay up to date with my new videos coming out, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. Put them down in the comments below. So today I am bringing you guys my 10-step Korean skincare routine. So the reason I decided to try out Korean skincare products is because I've been dealing with a lot of problematic skin, whether it be hormonal, acne, or clogged pores. That was my big thing. And I've done a lot of research into Korean skincare and I heard it was the best of the best, so I had to try it out myself. After I did my research about what kind of skin I have, I decided to go on YesStyle.com, and they had all of the Korean skincare products that I could ask for on there. So I partnered with YesStyle.com to get you guys a rewards code and a coupon code, and it is down in my description box below. So if you guys decide to buy any of these products or any other Korean skincare products, make sure to use my coupon code to save some money. So I'm going to jump right into my skincare routine, and I'll describe all the products and explain the benefits and how they help my skin throughout the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to get our hair out of our face and make sure that it is not getting in the way. After a long day, there's no better feeling than ripping those eyelashes off. So the first step in any Korean skincare routine is double cleansing. So I first start off with an oil cleanser. The benefits of using an oil cleanser is that it melts your makeup right off while keeping your skin hydrated and nourished, while balancing the oil production and helps heal acne. Also, don't forget to be gentle to your skin. Try not to rub off all the water, try to pat your face dry. Now I'm going in with the foam cleanser. This helps to remove any makeup that might have been left over to make sure that your face is really clean. Step 3 is to exfoliate. Here I have two types of exfoliants. One is a mechanical exfoliant, which is this one, and this one helps with really getting all that dead skin off and anything that could clog your pores. Here I'm going in with the chemical exfoliant. I decided to do this one, but you can do either the mechanical or the chemical. I decided to do this one because I've been really seeing the difference that it's making in my skin in terms of getting rid of all the clogged pores and the dead skin cells, and once I take it out, I feel my face so smooth, and the next day it's glowing. So that's why I've been doing this one. So now you just leave that on for 10 minutes, you come back and you wash it off. I'm going to put baby oil on a cotton pad and just make sure I get all that mascara and eyelash glue residue. The next step in the routine is toner. Toner helps with balancing the pH of your skin and bringing moisture back into your skin. Now my favorite step, essence. Now, toner and essence, you can do either or. This is an extra step, but I really love this essence because I really feel like this helps moisturize my skin so much, and it makes my skin look glowy and plumpy, and I just love how it really soaks into my skin. I also learned that I had very dehydrated skin, so when I added this step into my skincare routine, I really felt the moisture get back into my face, and it looks so much better underneath makeup. The next step is applying any serums that help target any concerns that you have. Sadly, mine ran out, so I had to skip this step. Now the next step is face mask. Now you don't need to do this every single night, but it's nice to pamper yourself every once in a while. So if you ever feel like you need an extra boost of essence or nourishment, face mask is the way to go. I kept this face mask for 20 minutes and then I took it off, and the rest you can just pat right into your skin. The next step is eye cream. This is my favorite because I love how thick yet hydrating it is. The eye is a very sensitive and dry area, so you gotta make sure you keep it hydrated. Lastly, for my nighttime routine, I use moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer I've ever tried because of the ingredient beta-glucan. Now, beta-glucan is a humectant which helps keep in and attract water.
For the 10th step, we have sunscreen. Obviously, this is for the morning routine, but sunscreen is very essential, must use. Now you're all done. My face is feeling hydrated and dewy. My skin is nowhere near perfect, but I'm taking good care of it and taking it step by step.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Korean skincare routine. Don't forget to use my coupon code down below in the description box to save some money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!